Hi guys! Samahan niyo po akong i-discuss ang promo natin for the month of May. Ito po ang ating expander cross. Still, zero down payment pa rin tayo at may worth 35,000 special freebies at ang monthly amortization natin start at 28,000. Ito naman ang ating expander GLS automatic. Naka zero down payment pa rin tayo at may worth 35,000 special freebies. At ang monthly amortization natin start at 26,000. May free 2 years PMS Plus pa. Ito po ang ating L300. Naka zero down payment pa rin tayo at may free 2 months pay after 100 days on selected banks. Ito naman ang ating Montero GLS automatic na 40,000 down payment at may worth 45,000 special freebies at may free 1 year PMS Plus pa. Monthly amortization natin start at 39,000. Ito po ang ating Montero Sport GLX manual. Still naka zero down payment pa rin tayo with 45,000 worth of special freebies na pwede ninyo i-upgrade into Black Series looks. Ang monthly amortization po natin start at 32,000. Isa ka bang OFW, seaman, businessman, or locally employed? Pasok ka dito. I-message mo lang ako sa aking social media account or tawagan sa aking number. See you sa releasing day. Bye!